say a diamond forms under pressure, so when your haters pressure me, it only makes me better. I ain't cheesy, but I'm getting cheddar. If you don't believe, write me a letter. Now it's hard being in the rap game. It's even harder to get my name out. Shit, I might even start giving out motherfucking handouts. Now let's cut to the chase. I'm the motherfucker in first place. I really do this shit, and I ain't gonna fucking quit. So bitch, get out of my way if you want a fucking good day. Yo, all these niggas are clowns, got their face upside down, but bitch, I'm the king. Come step in my ring, I'm just chilling on my throne, cause man, this is home. Let's get it.